Earth Day Campaign 2025, Plant to Reclaim. Inspired by the animated short, Spring Offensive, the Eco-War. Theme, Every seed is a soldier. Every garden is a victory. Date, April 22, 2025. Campaign goals. Encourage planting trees, wildflowers, herbs, and native plants. Raise awareness about how pollution disrupts the natural regeneration of ecosystems. Frame nature's spring growth as an epic comeback, a battle we can help win. The call to action, join the Spring Offensive. On April 22nd, suit up. Bring your seeds. Reclaim your earth. Every spring, nature rises against pollution. This Earth Day, join the Eco Army. Plant something. Anywhere. This time we didn't fight alone. We had allies in every garden, in every hand that planted hope. And that changed everything.
Spring Offensive, the Eco-War. The wake-up call. They call it spring, but to us, it's war season. Surveying the battlefield. Commander, the skies are poisoned. The rivers weep. Then we bloom harder. Assemble the troops. Buzz back better. Buzz back stronger. For the forests fallen. For the oceans to come. The battle. Hold the line. Clean the soil. Grow like your life depends on it, because it does. Victory, for now. We took back the fields, but summer's heat and human habits are coming. Then we'll rise again. We always do. Nature doesn't quit. It rises. Every single spring.